At the 34th meeting of the 60th session of the UN Human Rights Council, geopolitical researcher Josh Bowes raised serious concerns about human rights violations in Pakistan, particularly focusing on the ongoing crisis in Balochistan. Bowes addressed the European Union's observations regarding Pakistan's GSP Plus status and urged stronger accountability for human rights abuses in the country. Highlighting Pakistan's poor standing, Bowes pointed out that the country ranks 158th on the World Press Freedom Index. He also referenced the US CIRF Religious Freedom Report 2025, which noted over 700 individuals imprisoned on blasphemy charges, a sharp increase of 300% compared to the previous year. Bowes further exposed the violence faced by the Baloch community, citing data from the Baloch National Movement's human rights body, PANC, which documented 785 enforced disappearances and 121 killings in just the first half of 2025. Additionally, the Pashtun National Jirga reported that 4,000 Pashtuns remain missing this year. Bowes called on the UNHRC to enhance its monitoring of Pakistan's human rights situation by working cooperatively with the European Union under Agenda Item 8. His appeal came amid wider criticism of Pakistan at the UNHRC's 60th session in Geneva. Human rights activist Arif Ajakia also voiced grave concerns, particularly about military operations in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. He highlighted reports of extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearances, and torture, along with protests by families of missing persons. Ajakia described how state forces have violently cracked down on peaceful protests by Baloch women and children seeking justice, including the detention of activists like Dr. Mehrang Baloch. Ajakia condemned Pakistan's new provisional order, allowing security forces to detain individuals for up to 90 days without court appearances, calling it a violation of international treaties. He urged the Council to demand that Pakistan uphold fundamental rights and called for a UN fact-finding mission to investigate conditions in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.